that.
Hi guys, this is Andisha, and just letting you see what I'm doing today. Welcome to Everything That's Home. I'm gonna let you meet my daughter, and this is Paige,
Hi.
and she is a YouTube blogger too. What's the channel again?
Carly and the Crew.
Carly and the Crew. And your kids could log on and subscribe to Carly and the
Crew.
Okay, so today I'm in my garden, and these are some of the things that I bought at Home Depot. I'm gonna let you take a look, and there you go. Okay, so this is my garden, and today I'm just weeding and cutting some of the dry leaves out. As you see, that shrub has been burnt from the snow we had in Texas 1 month ago, which is very weird. But anyways, just letting you guys see, and then I'll show you the finished product. I'm gonna put some potted plants down, then mulch after I remove all the dry bushes. And it's something simple that you can do too. It's therapeutic. See you guys later.